So first click on the video with the sound you want and screen record it. Once you're done with that, stop screen record. Go into CapCut and tap the video you want to edit and the one you just screen recorded. Shorten your video to where it's just the sound. Then extract the audio. Turn your volume of the video to 0. Ignore my voice. Shorten the video to where it's just the part you want. The struggle is real. Then find the exact part when it takes action. Then slow-mo it. You can cut the sound to when you want or make the clip longer. Then add a transition part. I like to use the black fade and apply to all. Go into filters and pick a filter. I like to use orange-blue. Then pick halo blur and put it before the transition. This is optional, but I like to put stars. Star 1 is best. Then you can shorten your sound to when your clip ends. And then export it, and you are all done.